Hello everyone, it's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and today we're going to be doing a walk-around presentation on our authentic burnish brown 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 that has been certified twice by Camaro expert Jerry MacNeish. The first thing I'd like to say before we get into this video, number one, this vehicle is going to be selling with no reserve this month as part of our collection going to the Barrett-Jackson auction. The auction is starting on April 16th, which is a Thursday. It's ending actually on the 18th, which is a Saturday. Our entire collection is going to be selling on Saturday. This vehicle's lot number is 778. So you can visit our website at msclassiccars.com for all the highlights, description, photos, videos. There will be a direct link from our website to the Barrett-Jackson auction website, so you can actually see that. If you cannot make it there in person, you can register to bid over the phone. You can also register to bid online. You can even have Barrett-Jackson bid on your behalf. So make sure to check out our whole collection, including this stunning car. So first thing I will say regarding a 69 Camaro Z28, MS Classic Cars is proud to specialize in first generation Camaros. We have owned some of the best cars known to exist. When we talk about 69s, we've had multiple cars that have received the Legend Concours certification through the Camaro Nationals, which is a really big deal. So I'm a very good judge of character with these cars. Unfortunately, a lot of these cars are misrepresented, they're fraudulently made. People even go to the extent of making fake paperwork, cowl tags, they restamp engine blocks, etc. This particular car here, like all the Z28s that we advertise, again, has been certified by Camaro expert Jerry MacNeish of Camaro High Performance. Jerry and his co-worker Norm Needs have been to our dealership multiple times over the years, and we become good friends. So again, we really specialize in authentic cars. In 1969, Chevrolet made 20,302 69 Camaro Z28s. Of all the Camaros that were ever produced, and I'm not just talking about Z28s, but all the Camaros, only 2.3% were actually painted burnish brown. This is an absolutely gorgeous metallic color, and again, these white racing stripes really make it pop. This particular car also has the ivory and black interior. It is total eye candy. So to talk about this car a little bit here, this car actually I owned back in 2017. You can actually check it out on our website sold page. At that point, it had only had two owners from 1995 to when I purchased it. Jerry had actually certified the car back in 07, and then the second gentleman that had purchased it that I bought it from had it certified again in 2012. So it's kind of been off the radar for like 31 years. And the car was an extremely original car prior to the restoration. We do have restoration photos that will be included in a brand new binder that I've put together. This vehicle here, once it was restored, again, everything was done, to factory correct specifications. It was actually shown at the Camaro Nationals, and it scored 955 points in the bow tie class, and it also scored 981 points in the Camaro restored trailer class. So those judging sheets and everything will be included with the sale of the car. That's really cool that the car was actually judged and scored pretty high with all things considered. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but there are some notes in there that I believe this vehicle actually tried to qualify to go for Legend certification and needed some things to be corrected to get there, but that was pretty impressive. So first, talking about the car, it does indeed retain its original factory VIN tag. It also retains its original factory cowl tag. This is an X-coded cowl tag that shows it was built in Norwood, Ohio on the 3rd week of September 1969. So this is a later production date car. Okay, so again, factory original cowl tag. It also obviously retains its original factory color of burnished brown with the white racing stripes. As I mentioned, it also has the original factory color interior, which is ivory with black. It does retain its original matching numbers, 302 V8 engine. They were rated at 290 horsepower. So to have this car in this color with its original engine is huge. There's a ton of correct items inside the engine compartment, parts and so forth. It does have a date-coded transmission. It's a 4-speed Muncie, and it does have the original matching numbers Positrack rear end. Okay, and this is a beautiful restoration. I would say it falls into the #1 category for sure. It is truly stunning, and we're super proud to present it. So what I'm going to do is just walk around the car pretty quickly here. Again, you can check out all the highlights, description, photos, and everything on our website. The point of this is if you are interested in this car and you want to bid on it, but you can't beat the auction and you want us to be your eyes, I have my LED flashlight. The point of this is just to pretty much go over it and make you feel comfortable if you are going to be bidding outside the auction, okay? So when I look at this car, it truly looks like it was restored very recently, okay? I will be clear, this car could pass for a vehicle that was just restored 6 months ago. It's that clean. It has truly been kept in a climate-controlled facility since it was done. Obviously, it had been trailered. The gentleman that I sold it to in 2017, he called me and offered for me to buy the car back. I told him I would always want to do that in the future if he decided to sell it. He handled this car with light gloves. Randy, who works for us, when we picked it up with our enclosed trailer in Pennsylvania, said that he was starting to get really emotional when he came and he had to drive away, believe it or not, when Randy was strapping it down. But I really don't see anything on this car that's worth mentioning. What I'm looking for here is any chips or scratches. The front end, look at how beautiful all this paint is. The guys in the detail room did a really nice job doing a paint correction. You know, we start with the undercarriages, they get into the interiors, the engine compartments, the exterior, spend days detailing these cars to make them look the way they do, but look how nice the fit and finish is. I think this car retains most of its original sheet metal. You'll see the T3 headlights here. This really nice grille presents like new. The bumpers present like new. The rear front spoiler is like brand new. Again, this car is spectacular. So looking over at the driver's side fender here, again, I'm looking for any type of chips or scratches, dings, dents, things that happen to cars over time. And so far, this thing is near flawless. It's got the correct style Goodyear wide tread GT style tires, E70 15s. Okay, beautiful trim rings, center caps, wheels here. Super nice condition. The stainless trim is still bright. It does show a little bit of patina on the trim, which is common over time, you know, from people wiping them down and stuff like that. We did kind of repolish it a little bit, but I would not say that the trim is fresh out of a catalog, but it's still super nice and it fits really well. The dash pad is really nice. A lot of this interior is original. As I mentioned, look at how beautiful this is. The guys do such a good job with the detailing. There could be the tiniest little thing there. I guess you could call that a tiny chip. Super nice door gaps. Look at how the body fitment is on this car. Nice and tight. The door and the rear quarter. Door handles are in really nice shape. Again, you can check out the interior of this car. I love the ivory interior against the black. Really nice. This car originally had the cowl induction hood. A lot of people don't know that more Camaros actually came with a flat hood. I'm talking Z28s, and people add the cowl hoods during the restoration period, which is totally fine. But this car was born with that hood because we have pictures prior to the restoration. It also had the rear spoiler as well. And this interior definitely has some really nice original parts like the gauges. These door panels, you got to check this out with the camera. These door panels are original door panels, as Jerry MacNeish had stated in his report. However, the seats were recovered, but that console, that's an original restored console to this car. All the gauges, just a simply beautiful interior of this car. Again, this car definitely is in the #1 category. It's not perfect, but it's really, really nice. Doors open and close nice. The body is super straight. I don't see anything on this roof that's really worth mentioning. I mean, I guess I could mention, again, I'm being very, very fussy. There's a little tiny spot there, but look at how straight these rear quarters are. Again, driver's side quarter, super nice condition. I don't think this car was driven much during the last 20 plus years, 25 years it's been restored. What's nice about a car like this is there's no surprises. When something's been done this long and looks this good, there are no surprises, as sometimes with fresh restorations, some of the surprises happen after the fact. Look how nice this section is here on this rear panel, how it meets the deck lid. A lot of times this is not this nice. The glass is in really nice condition. Appears to be original glass throughout, other than the front windshield. But it's got a little bit of scratching in the glass, but it's nothing to be concerned about, just some signs of age. And this is obviously original stainless trim. And if the new owner ever wants to take any car to the next level and make it as perfect as they can, it's really not hard to do so. You know, installing new glass, if that was something you want to do, whether it's NOS or OEM, or they want to have it stamped and so forth, replacing stainless trim. I mean, someone can get really detailed if they want to. But looking at the back here, this deck lid is beautiful. Again, this car presents like it was finished very recently. Look at how nice everything is. Super nice. The taillights, the Z28 emblem, the rear bumper, the bumper guards, the exhaust, pretty evenly spaced there. Just super, super nice. Looking at the passenger rear quarter and roof, I don't see anything at all. Again, look at this paint. The drip rails are beautiful. Again, super nice. Oh, I thought I found a pin-sized chip. It's just a piece of dust. You can see how closely we're going over this car. Again, I'm using an LED flashlight in a showroom that's lit. The stuff I'm pointing out is really not a big deal, but look at the tires, still have the knobbies on them and so forth. Even though these are older tires, it just goes to show you how little it's been driven. Look at these gaps. Super nice gaps on this car. Doors open beautifully. Again, look at these original door panels. Some of this interior was dyed to, you know, bring it to life, but really nice. Look at even the armrest area here, how nice it is. Look at the doorknobs. So nice, this car. As soon as we're done with this video, we're actually going to be taking this car over to our service department. We normally service them first, document the work with an invoice, and present it. Because we're running a little bit behind schedule with Barrett-Jackson happening soon, the cars are getting loaded next week on Friday. We wanted to get the detailing done, do this pictures and video and everything else, and then we're going to take it today in a few minutes over to service so we can go through this vehicle completely. Jerry MacNeish tells people that MS Classic Cars does an amazing job servicing these Z28s. The guys have really learned them well in our service department. There could be a little tiny thing there that it looks like maybe at some point somebody touched it up. Again, don't really notice it. Look at these gap lines. Everything just lines up so nice. And coming over to the passenger fender, again, spectacular. This is a beautiful car. At this point, I don't know if this is going to change, but at this point, this is the only 69 Camaro Z28 being offered at Barrett-Jackson in Palm Beach. And that's kind of exciting. These cars have really taken off. They're becoming harder and harder to find, especially authentic certified cars. Obviously, finding a burnished brown car that is like this car is even harder. But look at the detail in this engine compartment here. The insulation is super nice. Look at the firewall, how beautiful it is. It even has the factory assembly stamps on each side of the cowl, the firewall area. Speaking of the cowl, this car does also have its original VIN stamp on the cowl, which is below the grate there on the passenger side that Jerry MacNeish makes reference of in his report. And by the way, his report is in our gallery of photos. You can check that out. But look at how nice this is. The inner fenders, the brake booster. It's even got the tag there on the booster. You can see the original cowl tag on this car. Again, X-coated. Again, look at how nice all this is. Super, super clean, correct style radiator. As I mentioned before, original matching numbers, 302 V8 engine. That's the engine this car was born with. It's got a lot of factory correct date-coded parts. That's got the smog and everything on there as well. You'll see the exhaust manifolds. Again, beautiful job with this restoration. By the way, this car also has a Gardner exhaust system, which was one of the best factory reproduction style exhaust systems that you can buy. So that is a big bonus. As I mentioned before, it does have a Muncie 4-speed transmission that is date coded, and it also has the original matching numbers rear end. You will see in the undercarriage photos that we present that this car is as clean on the bottom as it is on the top. This is a vehicle that you clearly can display with mirrors. If you're at a car show, even an indoor show, and you want to get it up off the ground, you can display it with mirrors. It is that nice. Okay, so that concludes this video here today. Hopefully it was informative. Again, if you're interested, it is worth the time reaching out to Barrett-Jackson to register to bid. Again, maybe you want to go down there, make a little trip of it in Florida, bid in person, see the car, talk to the MS Classic Cars team, be part of the action. If you can't, based on your schedule, etc., you can actually bid on the phone, you can bid online. This is one that is worth taking a shot with. When something starts at no reserve, you never know what it's going to sell for, so everybody has an opportunity that wants it. Feel confident. This is a great car. It's going to be fully serviced, fully detailed, and ready for you to enjoy. We appreciate you watching this video. We would ask that you sign up for our VIP newsletter at MS Classic Cars. We have thousands of people that are on that. That is the best way to follow us. Also, follow us on all of our social media platforms as well. We hope to earn your business with this car. But if we don't, we appreciate your interest. We hope to earn your business on something else in the future. We truly have something for everyone. At MS Classic Cars, we say, keep it classic. And I always say, rock and roll.